Good day, sir and madam. I'm Anita Rivera, 55 years old. I was born on July 26, 1970. Currently, I'm here in Macau. I finished my one-year contract. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, marketing, cleaning, ironing, and most, I cook herbal medicine for elderly. About my working experience, I have been working in Hong Kong for almost 26 years. My first employer, I taking care a dog, 4 years old kids, and 7 years old. My duties are cooking, cleaning, car wash, ironing, and all household work. My second employer, my duties and responsibilities are taking care of a newborn baby. There are 3 kids. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, marketing, cleaning, car wash, ironing, and all household work. Thank you, sir and madam.